Hello, my brave friends. Welcome back to our English story time. Sit down, relax, and listen carefully. Yes, you can speak English. Hello again. Remember me? I am the person from the coffee shop. Yesterday I said hello to a tourist. That small word changed my life. Today is a new day. I woke up early. I looked in the mirror. I smiled. I said to myself, you can speak English. Today you will try again. I walked to the park. The sun was warm. Birds were singing. I sat on a wooden bench. I opened my small notebook. I have a notebook for my English words. I do not write long sentences. I only write simple words. Words like sun, happy, tree, and friend. Learning English is like building a house. You need one brick at a time. One word is one brick. Suddenly an old man walked near my bench. He had a big map in his hand. He looked confused. He looked at the map, then he looked at the street. He turned left, then he turned right. I knew that look. He was a tourist. My heart started to beat fast. Tick-tock, tick-tock. My old fear whispered, "Do not speak. You will make a mistake." But I remembered my friend's words. "Just try." I stood up. I walked to the old man. I took a deep breath. I smiled. I said, "Hello, can I help you?" The old man stopped. He looked at me. His eyes became bright. He smiled a very big smile. He said, "Oh, thank you. Yes, please. Where is the museum?" The museum? I knew the museum. It was near the park. But how could I say this in English? I did not know big grammar rules. I did not know long verbs. But I knew simple words. I pointed my finger down the street. I said, "Go straight. Walk 2 minutes. Turn right. The museum is there. It is a big white building." I used short sentences. I spoke very slowly. The old man listened carefully. He nodded his head. "Go straight, turn right, big white building?" he asked. I smiled and said, "Yes, correct." The old man laughed happily. He said, "Your English is very clear. Thank you so much." He said goodbye and walked away. I sat back down on my bench. My hands were shaking, but I was extremely happy. Did you hear what he said? He said, "Your English is very clear." He did not say, "Your English is perfect." He said, "It is clear." That was my big moment. I understood the secret. You do not need to speak like a professor. You do not need thousands of words. You need simple words, a warm smile, and bravery. The tourist did not care about my small mistakes. He only wanted to find the museum. We understood each other. After the park, I went to a supermarket. I wanted to buy apples and milk. Inside the shop, I practiced in my mind. I looked at the bananas. I said in my head, "These are yellow bananas." I looked at the bread. I said, "This is fresh bread. This is my new method." I talk to myself in English all day. When I cook, I say, "I am cutting tomatoes." When I wash my hands, I say, "The water is cold." Nobody hears me, so I am not afraid. It is a secret game between me and English. And guess what? It works. My brain is starting to think in English. In the evening, I met my friend at a cafe. I told my friend about the tourist in the park. I said I was afraid, but I did it. My friend smiled and said, "I am so proud of you. You see, making mistakes is normal. Children make mistakes when they learn to walk. They fall down, they get up, and then they run. English is the same." My friend is right. Yesterday, I was afraid of mistakes. Today, I laugh at them. If I say a wrong word, it is okay. I will learn the correct one tomorrow. Perfect English does not exist. Even people in England and America make mistakes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is communication. Now I am talking to you. Yes, you, the person who is watching this video right now. Maybe you are sitting in your room. Maybe you are listening to this on a bus. You are listening to my story and you understand every word. Think about this. You are understanding an entire story in English. That means your English is already good. You just need to believe it. Don't wait for next year. Don't wait for an expensive school. Open your laptop. Look at a window. Say one simple sentence out loud. Say, "The sky is beautiful today." Let's do a little practice together right now. Look around your room. Find one object. Is it a phone? Is it a book? Is it a cup of tea? Write its name in the comments below. Write a very simple sentence. For example, "I have a blue pen," or "My coffee is hot." I will read every comment. We are a team now. We are a community of brave English learners. We don't hide, we try. Tomorrow is another day. I will find more tourists. I will read more short stories. I will listen to more English videos, and you will do the same. Remember our rule, you don't need to be perfect. Just start. One word is enough. Thank you for listening to my journey. Your journey starts now. Yes, you can speak English. See you in the next story. Bye bye.